This drone just replaced a scaffolding job that cost several $1,000s. But before you rush out and buy one, here's what nobody tells you. The drone is only a fraction of what you need. But the Drone Cleaning Solution Suite brings it all together. So today, we're breaking down what a complete operation actually looks like. So what is drone pressure washing? A tethered drone connects to a ground-based system supplying water or cleaning solution, and the drone handles application in the air, so that means no lifts or ropes. The drone is the delivery platform for commercial windows, facades, and hard-to-reach structures. Your biggest advantage isn't just speed, but it's also reaching difficult places more safely and efficiently. That's why Drone Nerds built the Drone Cleaning Solution Suite, a complete system with 4 parts working together. Miss any one and you'll struggle in the field. First, the drone. The ABZ C10 is engineered specifically for commercial cleaning, so it's not a modified camera drone. It cleans at heights up to 197 feet with radar holding a safe, consistent distance from the surface that you're cleaning. Drone chemistry isn't ground chemistry. A thin film on a hot vertical surface 50 feet up behaves differently. The suite includes a workhorse cleaner for routine washes, a restoration-grade formula for salt staining and baked-on runoff, and a no-rinse option for maintenance contracts, plus 3 enhancers: Restore Enhancer for tougher jobs, Dry Time Extender for hot days, and Rinse Aid for spot-free, longer-lasting results. The Apex and Core van skids keep smaller operations mobile between sites, while our enclosed trailers give high-volume operators a fully self-contained setup. Speaking of trailers, there are 2 to choose from, and both are American-made 7x14 enclosed trailers with 3,500 PSI pressure wash system and a dedicated soft wash system. The Ridge trailer is the hands-on workhorse. Manual reels, manual chemical injection, and a 3-stage deionization pure water system. So it's everything you need and nothing you don't. The Peak trailer is the fully loaded option. It adds RigLink remote start, stop, and rinse, so you control the whole system from wherever you're standing. Plus electric reels, so less walking back to the trailer and more time cleaning. Most new operators know drones but not cleaning. Dilution ratios, dwell times, or what happens when cleaner dries on hot glass. The Drone Cleaning Solution Suite covers all of it, from starter courses to advanced. If you skip the training, you might get stuck doing your job again instead of getting it right the first time. This might sound like a lot of information, and it is. But our drone experts have you covered, and they can walk you through the entire process from beginning to end. Make sure to reach out to us at experts@dronenerds.com or click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.